about COVID-19. As we all know that the COVID-19 has not gone completely, and the situation is not so poor.
But we must have
But we must have
some controls. We must follow some rules. No. Then
And we are very familiar with the situation of lockdown. I am being very lazy and not to following the proper routine. Now my routine has completely changed. I am woke up earlier and ready for coming to school. So thank you.
Good morning all of you. I am Nidhi Gupta of Standard 9B. Here I am to discuss about my life after COVID-19. I observed some certain changes in my life. Earlier I was very lazy and not following the routine properly, not studying. But now I am careful. I am being careful towards my study. As you all know that our school has been opened. But when the first day I was come to school, I was not satisfied that school has been opened because I was not prepared at all for my study. I think how I did the exam. But after 2-3 days, I realized the online classes is better. I am understanding my study. So I like this decision of government. In our school, here also we are following the COVID-19 guidelines. So please all of you wear mask and protect yourself to protect your life future. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. I am Rudra Pratap Bose from this 9B, and today I am going to talk about this topic. The best policy is honesty. So you are seeing that in this Kali Yuga, no one is following honesty. In shops, in courts, just money matters. No honesty is there.
we have become mercenary.
Yes, we have become a machine. But we do not have to do. We should not do that. If you follow the honesty, in long term you will be very much benefited instead of being looted. So you see the examples from our Ramayana, like God Ram, he followed honesty and at last he was able to kill all the
Demons.
demons, you know. And have you heard about a king called Srivats? Have you heard anyone?
No. They are not reading about. They are Indians, but they are no reading. They have no interest in reading such things. But yes, this is one inspiration. We must know about Indian kings. That is not available in the history, so-called pseudo-history. Our history is produced by one of the Chinese person. He wrote it and then it was finalized by the English person, and the English gave us, this is your history. Where Yudhishthir is somewhere, Krishna is somewhere. In history, in Indian history, we have the record of Krishna, the record of Yudhishthir. But not like Mahabharata, they were together. They made a gap of 300 and more. So we have distorted history. We must know Indian history according to our scriptures. So Srimad Bhagavad, Ramayana and others, they are not mythology, they are actual history. So I am very happy that Rudra is mentioning, citing examples from our own scriptures. Very good. Yes, continue.
So he was very famous because he did many yajnas like Rajsuriya and Ashwamedh yajna. But once there was a fight between goddess Lakshmi and Shani. So they came to him to say that who is greater? I am greater or Shani is greater? So then at last he proved by keeping two chairs, not singhasanas, aside, and who will sit right side will be greater, So Lakshmi said right side and he told that Lakshmi is greater. Then due to the effects of Shani, he was very much in difficulties. He had to go to the jungle. But at last he again got his own position back. He was a very powerful king. He got his own position back. So that is the help. That is the goodness of honesty. What we get, you will get the benefit in long term. But yeah, you will get the benefit in actual way. So I would say that everyone should follow honesty. She said that there is shopkeeper who don't follow honesty. Now, how can a shopkeeper follow honesty? He has to keep some profit, but if he takes beyond his actual profit, that is MRP, then that is dishonesty.
That is actual dishonesty. Yes.
Dishonesty. If he takes within that MRP, then that is not dishonesty.
Yes.
That is the way how to
yes,
get
yes.
the income.
Because that is the worldly way. If we have to follow the mundane and worldly way, we have to follow that rule. No way out. Yes.
So anyway, you have to follow the honesty that will help you in long term. Thank you. I would say that.
Good morning, all of you present here today. And be a businessman in future. Will you follow the honesty?
Yes. Say freely. Say freely.
In business, I don't think the honesty will
means he is not blaming. Suppose we belong to a businessman, he also belongs to the family of business. He also we have not to be angry with this. We have yes, we have to accept it. This is the way of the world. यही होता है. If she or you or anyone will start any business, they must tell lie, otherwise it will not be working. If you will tell the actual price, if you are selling, you see the tax, you see the tax, yes, you see the tax, they write 1008, सबका अपना कोड होता है. अब उसको 100 में बेचना है तो लास्ट 2 डिजिट को कट करके दिमाग में रखते हैं, आपको समझ में नहीं आता है. सो दे हैव डिफरेंट वेज ऑफ राइटिंग देयर प्राइसेस, सो इट्स गुड, बट देयर ऑल्सो आई थिंक दैट परसेंटेज ऑफ ऑनेस्टी शुड बी देयर. You must earn 50 rupees, 100 rupees on one item. But if you are earning more than the actual price, that is not good. Okay. That's why one term is there, maximum retail price. Maximum. But sometimes people go beyond maximum also, where tax are not written there. Yes, good argument. Anybody ask another question? That's all? Your point is over? Okay, come back.
Positive, I am Anand Chaudhary of 9B. I choose the topic life after COVID-19. We all know that it's very hard to survive in COVID-19, but we should wear masks, use sanitizer, and maintain social distancing. Many schools and colleges, offices are open.
Everyone, my name is Ayushman of class 9B. Today I am going to say some lines about vaccine, COVID-19 vaccine. COVID-19 vaccine is very important for us. As we know that in these days, COVID is very harmful and many people die in this pandemic. So we should vaccinate it. And
we should be vaccinated.
And use sanitizers and social distancing. Many types of COVID vaccine like Covaxin and Covishield. We should use any one twice and be protected from corona. Thank you.
We are coming to school, but only senior classes are open.
A little louder, a little louder.
Life after this pandemic is not very easy. We have to wear masks and use sanitizer.
Yes. I am here to speak on the topic.
Speak on the topic about life after COVID-19. Life after COVID-19 is fine up to now.
Yes. But we have to take care in future.
But we have to take care in future. We have to follow the guidelines.
It's not over, but then also we must follow the rules that we must wear masks and we should sanitize our hands and we must follow social distancing.
A very pleasant good morning, all. I am Hannah of class 9. My topic is life after COVID-19. In COVID-19, cases are not coming, but now also we should follow the social distancing and wear masks and sanitize our hands. Now our schools are open and better.
About life after COVID-19. As we all know, the pandemic has not been over, but it has been less affected as we know that the vaccination is going on. I am so excited. We are coming to school after a long gap, as
Gap.
government allows.
After a long gap.